Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use only one DPI setting on your RAZER Viper V4 Pro. So as you guys can see, we are in the RAZER Synapse app. Now we're going to click on the Synapse right up here and go to the devices. Now we're going to click on the Viper V4 Pro. And here we got the sensitivity stages in the performance section. So you'll probably be here in the customize. We're going to switch to performance and now make sure to disable sensitivity stages. So this will avoid accidental switching. So if you have, let's say 800 to 3200, there's a bit of a difference here. As you guys can see, now we are on 800 and it's slow. Once I switch it up here, it's much faster and I'm moving the mouse even less than 800. So this is very important that you select the stage that you want first, then you tap this button and you are stuck with 800. So this is very good. Now you only get one DPI stage and you will basically avoid those accidental switches. So that's how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.